Welcome back to dropping deuces on big boys.
Oh, hold on. Can we workshop that title?
I guess, if you feel so inclined to.
Sorry, I feel like people would...
What upsets you about it?
Well, the fact that, like, big boys could be interpreted as many people in this thing.
Go
and
on.
the fact that deuces is a slang for dropping dookies.
Okay.
Yeah.
I hear it. Okay. What's
And
your point?
I don't think I'm into that.
Oh, okay.
I don't think I want to get dropped like a deuce.
Okay. I think I see your point. But until you have a better solution, we're just gonna have to go dropping deuces on big boys. I'm just saying. I'm open to opinions, but I think we're just gonna have to go with dropping deuces on big boys, Vic.
Okay, you know what? If you feel that strongly about it, whoa,
That was weird. I feel as strongly as that was fucked up.
Yeah, that was pretty fucked up.
So you're saying if I feel strongly about it?
Yeah, then fuck it. We'll just run with it.
All right, we're dropping deuces on big boys. Look, we found the title for the episode already. That's awesome.
Content.
Look, I did end up finding all 12.
Hell yeah. And you get a sick ass helmet.
Mm-hmm. Sorry, we're at the end of a recording session, so we're stuffing our faces slightly while recording this episode. No shame.
Not at all.
It's just putting in the work, doing the time.
Mm-hmm. Doing the time.
You gotta do the time.
Yeah. I'm
But
looking forward to this helmet.
it looks pretty cool. That actually didn't take nearly as long as I thought it was going to. That's why I was like, I don't know if I'll get them all. I'm like, oh, well, these were literally all on the way to the things I needed, so I'm glad it all worked out.
Yeah. Oh, man. They're all brothers.
That's not the button.
And that's my favorite part about this.
That was weird. What?
That, their sole purpose is to... Oh, shit.
Right? Dope.
Their sole purpose is to preserve Lombax's knowledge. And he's a Lombax. So, like... I like the whole, like, brother thing that they fucking saying.
Oh, like you call him Brother Lombax?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty dope. I just feel like, Macho Man would have a great time here.
Oh, hell yeah, brother.
Oh yeah, brother. I'm telling you now.
Lombax Mania. Oh, shit.
Lombax Mania 20. Hell in a Cell. But was that around?
Wait, did they have? Yeah.
I was like, I don't know. Was that around at the time? I don't think it was.
I thought that was like a 90s thing.
Yeah. Yeah, it was definitely a 90s thing where they did Hell in a Cell. That was like the Edge area.
Did they still have like cage matches though?
I don't know. I'll be honest, I haven't really kept up with wrestling.
Yeah. Me neither.
I used to watch it a lot growing up. But not as much lately.
Cage matches. That's what I was gonna look up.
Yeah, let's go play as Rivet.
All yours, Rivet and Clank.
And then we'll see what we're doing. We're going to the Blizz Mines now.
On Sargasso, you said you gave Ratchet the Dimensionator so that he could find the other Lombaxes. I never thought I'd meet one of us. Much less find our home, if you can even call it that. Do you really think it would work?
No.
No? No!
Oh. Whoa.
Oh, the first cage match took place in 1986 at WrestleMania 2.
Hey, see,
And
so
it featured Hulk Hogan versus King Kong Bundy.
okay, so they definitely had cage matches in that era.
Yeah,
But I don't think they had Hell in a Cell though.
No, but that was like their steel cage.
Oh yeah, huh?
Yeah,
That's right. I kind of remember now.
yeah, that's cool. I dig that.
Oh yeah, so we rode in on a disaster. We're supposed to be mines here, and well, we're in zero gravity,
Now that would exert the police on it.
but we can travel,
Dimensional rifts.
Whoa.
right?
Another dimension.
This is what it's supposed to look like.
Is this your Blazer?
No, but we can find intact phase quartz here. We should seek out the miners.
Ah, crap! Do 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 do.
Oh fuck.
Put a little crab rave every time they do 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 do.
Oh shit.
Yeah, this really is a crab rave.
They're everywhere.
Barriers between dimensions.
I was afraid you'd say that.
Facility damage warning. Safety lockdown engaged. We need.
Hold that thought.
Oh hello.
No, the glove of doom.
We need to reach the other side
I
of
need
that window to
doom.
release.
Another dimensional thing?
Haven't you punished me enough? You stupid universe! No job, no phase quartz, no planet. What else do you want, huh? My mind? Fine, take it!
If it helps, I just found out there's another dimension where Blizzard's still intact,
Still
so...
intact. How do you... Of course! The Blizon! If the planet hasn't been...
So can they use it too, or is it just exclusive to the Lombaxes?
Who was that?
Where'd she go?
Do you know what
Oh,
she was
oh
talking about?
no.
No.
Whatever happened here?
Okay.
All right. We need
I guess we're just gonna be okay with that. Whee!
And I'm just gonna power jump.
Whee! I don't got time to think about that. Whee! I love the zero grav in this though.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but it's
Because
it's a little satisfying.
it's just like with tears in space, they don't fall.
They crash around me. You was right.
Yeah.
But the conscious calls.
Come on.
The guilty to come home.
Yeah.
Whoa! Was there enemies near me?
Yeah.
Oh shit! I just kind of ignored them. Ah!
Oh fuck my brain.
Ah! It keeps repositioning the camera. It's hurting my head too. Stop.
To a miner or engineer in the intact dimension.
Sick.
Look into it after we obtain the phase quartz.
Yeah, I got it. Is this the button I need to press? Sure is. I like the keyboardy sounds.
Yeah. Does the mic pick that up?
I have no idea. We'll find out after this. Whoa! That was weird.
Yeah, I thought you died.
I definitely thought the game was gonna be like, nah, you're dead, bro.
Yeah.
Got stuck between two ledges, you're dead. That's it. Oh shit! Do 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 do. Oh, he's not dead.
Oh shit. The rave is too strong.
The Rave is strong with this one. Is that another crab rave? Oh no, it's
Oh.
Kinda cute when
That's-
they're not trying to gnaw your
it's other things that are now just coming out of anywhere.
Yeah.
busy right
Stop. Stop. Please stop. Oh, what the frick?
Plat, 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 plat.
They just like leaping from like way across the map. Like, I'm here now. Fight me!
Yeah, that's what I would do.
Now we should
You're right. It's a bold strategy, but
Yeah.
I definitely would open with it.
Any guesses on who that person was in my dimension? The
I'm
stranger?
not just gonna let the guy with guns fucking shoot me from afar.
Do 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 do.
The dad. We're all fucking dead.
This is the saddest rave I've ever been to.
Whoa.
What? You've been to happier?
Maybe.
Oh. Okay. I mean, I'd hope so. Wait, I've been getting all these bolts and I haven't, like, been doing shit with them. They're all, like, unlockables. The hammer skins. Oh, I can have a gold one, too. RPG. Yes. I want that. And I want my ship to have a rebel yell. What? Game filter. Oh. None. Thank you.
Yeah.
I don't want that.
Maybe if you played it in black and white, you would feel how I feel. I'm just kidding.
Whoa. It's not that bad, right?
Mm-mm.
I thought it was just reds you couldn't see.
Mm-hmm. Red
So all this must look like nothing to you. I'm sorry. It's lava.
It looks
That's a
yellow
bad
and
joke.
orange.
Oh. Well, yeah. So it's not that bad. Oh, that's actually on point.
Mm-hmm.
It's just shades, right?
It's just what my yellow and orange look like.
Oh.
Yeah, because it's my eyes that are fucked up.
You don't say.
Mm-hmm. But hey, at least I don't wear glasses anymore.
That's true.
Bro, where are we? Who cares? Grab the Lombax!
Get him, boys!
Goons for less.
Good for less is such a good fucking
Right?
name.
Figured that out.
incoming.
Oh, there you go. Damage numbers.
Yeah, that's what the RPG does.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
I get it. Feels like an RPG now.
Ow. Ow.
Fuck 'em up.
I leveled up the ricochet.
Hell yeah.
I wonder if the numbers are actually accurate to their health, though.
Honestly, kind of cute.
I think so.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Oh, that's a 440. 1,140.
40.
Not as elite as us.
Do 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 do.
Wow, this is. Oh, all right.
There we go. Hey.
I'll take it. Crystal. Shout.
Raritanium.
Oh, now it's cool. Now it's relevant. Not when I said it before.
The mining company.
I was just bringing it up.
Just leave me alone.
I was just rehashing old material.
Is it already old material?
I mean,
This far
I think
in?
by the time it comes out, I think so.
Damn it. They don't know that, though.
Hey.
They don't know we're years ahead of this episode.
Yeah. We recorded this in 2022.
Whoa! If I could imagine. That's oh, okay. Apparently don't do that. Bombs broke the game.
Whatever happened
Again.
to in my dimension, this one could be next.
Apparently I found many ways to do that.
Yeah.
What the hell?
I think it's good. You just broke all their shit.
Yeah, by walking over it. It's awesome. Give me your shit. I need all the energy drinks. I got an addiction to feed.
Oh, fuck yeah, I feel that.
Oh, cheers to that. I'll drink to that, bro. Where the hell am I going? Yeah, there's a Blizzon. Find the missing chef. Like Boyardee?
Mm-hmm. Or from South Park.
Hello, children. Chef Tulio.
She was supposed to be back with ingredients an hour ago. Don't know if she's hurt.
Sure, I can keep an eye out.
How can you not be certain someone's in danger after they're missing for an hour? And then you just trust a stranger to be like, hey, can you go find them? This wouldn't be the type of game if, you know, shit like that just worked itself out.
I know.
There's a thingy. Shah!
Oh, you shattered time.
Joke's on you.
She sounds unhurt. I wonder what has been keeping her from returning
Okay.
to the miners.
Time's already shattered. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Run, 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 run.
Well, I don't... Yeah, they just go invisible.
Oh, I thought they actually disappeared.
Yeah, that's why I was like... Because I saw the boxes staying. I'm like, they wouldn't just stay there. They'd go away too. Or they'd fall. There you go.
Or they'd crash around you. Fuck. Oh, man.
We got a few more runs on that joke.
Yeah.
I think it's good.
Most definitely.
Yeah. They've all been in great taste so far.
Mm-hmm. Hey, getting cool new clothes.
Galactic Ranger! Oh. Shaw! Shaw!
Oh, they make it so much easier to get back.
Thank God.
Yeah.
They know.
It's like Skyrim.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Every time you finish a dungeon.
Yeah, there's always an exit.
Mm-hmm. Of many of the Skyrim references that I don't get, I do get that one.
Yay. Clarence!
Who let you on the counter?
What?
Every fucking time. He's like, you fucking snitch.
You know it. Yeah, come chill.
Don't kiss up to me. He's about to go up to you. Listen here, you piece of shit. Don't you ever rat me out again like that. I live here.
Too bad, dog. If I can't be on the counter, you can't be on the counter.
That's true. That's why I don't let him on the counter. Because I can't be on the counter either. I mean, they're not rated for my weight anyways. But that's besides the point.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, that was fucking on point.
Right? I was even aiming for that. What the fuck? Exit the Wasp Caverns. Wasps? Oh, shit. Is that what those are?
Oh, okay.
Oh, great. Just woke up the whole fucking hive.
Yeah.
Look at all these energy drinks I got.
Dude, fucking, you're gonna be up for hours.
Because we're up all night to get Ratchet.
Yeah, dude. I mean, that would be El Paso.
Yeah, that's true. That's definitely on brand.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I thought I was missing something there, but I guess not. Watch. I'm gonna find out way later.
Whoa.
Some high-fly ninja maneuvers.
I am Chef Tulio,
That's a grand entrance for someone you didn't know was approaching you.
For real.
Okay.
To make my greatest
Right.
dish, I must harvest the Seranian honey below us with this vacuum suck. But
Excuse
doing
me?
so requires my full attention, so I'll need some.
What else can it do? Can you please describe more on the suck?
Yeah.
What exactly does it suck?
Yeah.
I need information.
The extraction sequence with that hammer crank.
Is it lethal? You know what? Don't answer that one. It's fine. I'll for science.
There's been a lack of suffering lately, so I do not know. I can feel it. Now it will take a moment for the machine to warm up, so be on the lookout for interlopers. Ha! Here they
Oh.
come! On the left! Use the button on that side to activate my trap!
Fool, you activated my trap card.
Splendid! I could
Oh, it's just fire.
my stench of
Yeah.
whiskers.
It's awesome.
So I thought, why not
Can it
go
hurt
back
me?
to my roots? Barbecue.
It's awesome. It can't. Hey, why are
That
you not
shit's fire.
dead?
Ha! They're coming from the right. Activate the trap on the right before they damage
Did
the
I?
vacuum
Oh,
socket
I already did.
away from
Fantastic.
you.
That shit's fire, bro.
It's lit, yo.
Oh, fuck.
God.
Ah, fuck. Bram, bram, bram. Ugh. Sorry, I'm doing the Street Fighter fucking KO sound.
And that's my preamble. Or as we like to say in the culinary, the appetizer. Now,
Appetizer.
time for the main course.
Yeah, what are we talking? What?
I think we're helping her make something, and that's what the vacuum sucks. Oh shit, crab rape! Ah shit, in the fire!
Oh man.
Yeah, I think we're just defending this.
It's a lot of dead crabs.
It's good meat.
I'm actually not that into crabs.
No?
I don't really like shellfish.
What about in sushi?
I'll accept it because it's mostly rice.
That's true.
Marvelous. Yes, I can.
Oh hello.
What about shrimps? You like shrimps?
I could take it or leave it. If it's like boiled, I'm probably not down.
Okay.
Like if it's like fried or
like
like
tempura?
yeah, then I fucks with it.
Just think of those hungry
As long as it still doesn't have the fucking shrimp, like
what?
like not the whole. Like I don't like peeling it.
Oh yeah,
I
no,
don't
fuck
like,
that.
Yeah,
Yeah, no, I agree. I don't usually like my it's like I don't know what kind it is, but yeah, I don't usually go for that kind of shrimp anyways.
yeah.
I can go for like a nice shrimp cocktail.
That's okay. I don't know. It's just too much.
Too much.
Too much for me.
But shrimp cocktail is literally just already like shrimp peeled, clean,
Yeah.
and you just
Uh,
dip that
I
bitch in
just-
some cocktail sauce.
Yeah, you're right. Cocktail sauce is pretty good.
Yeah. So where do you fall on that debate? Cocktail sauce, or tartar sauce?
Actually, I'm not a fan of tartar sauce.
Yeah, me neither. I was very upset the last time I ordered shrimp from somewhere, and it was like cocktail sauce, tartar sauce, and then I was like, oh well, fucking cocktail sauce. Like, you want extra? I'm like, fuck yeah, I want extra. And then it arrived with double tartar sauce. They're like, oh, they didn't have cocktail sauce. I'm like, I would have preferred nothing.
Yeah.
Cause I sure shit ain't gonna eat this tartar sauce. No, first of all, how dare you? Should have asked me.
Yeah.
I'm insulted.
Tartar. I don't know.
I think I'm doing a good job. I just keep going between the two things and shooting things.
Yeah, dude. Oh, fuck.
Oh shit!
They're all
Clarence.
dead.
I just keep going between the two and You know,
Hey, it's working out.
yeah. Everything's coming up, Ratchet.
And you know what? I can see now.
Oh, I mean Rivet. I'm playing Rivet right now.
That's exactly what I was gonna talk about.
Yeah.
Like I can see now with the tail.
Yeah, it's unique to... That's like the easiest way to tell them apart, I think.
Yeah.
At least playing in this perspective.
Yeah. Because of I see what you mean. She has like a whole ass tail.
Uh-huh. And Ratchet has like the little floof at the end.
Yeah. Like a spade.
Yeah.
Suffering. But now my imagination has woken from its slumber. This honey smorgasbord will be beautiful.
I've never seen smorgasbord spelled out before.
Yeah, dude.
That actually blew my mind.
Smorgasbord.
I thought there was an H. There is not an H.
Yeah.
Oh, sick. I got one of these guys.
I'm just happy those miners are finally gonna get some grub. Now, how do I get back to them? Oh, that security taxi should do the trick.
Oh.
How
convenient.
You or Ratchet?
Oh, it is never a competition.
Pretty sure I could... Yep.
Yeah.
I knew it.
Sometimes you gotta test the waters. Is there a wall here? And then you fall off and die and you're like, there is no wall here.
There is no
This
wall.
game will let me fail.
Yeah.
But we're at episode. I think we're good.
Oh, hell yeah. I had a lot of fun with this episode.
Hell yeah.
I mean, I'm having a lot of fun with this game. It looks fucking beautiful.
I'm just throwing my hammer around. Don't mind me.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. Thank you guys so much for joining us today.
It's been great. We'll see y'all next time. Love you.
Bye! I'm gonna eat these egg rolls now.
These egg rolls are making me thirsty.
Yeah.